Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a poll or a voting section on your WordPress where people they can vote for who or who. Okay, it's pretty much simple guys. Now we're on WordPress on dashboard. First thing you need to do is to go over to plugin, add new plugin. Go over to plugin and add new. No, don't upload, you need to add new. Then this plugin is called poll. There are lots, but I will use this one, which is pretty much simple. Poll, P-O-L-L, poll, as it is. Then here the polls plugin, you can use a poll maker, but for this I use a poll survey and quiz maker opinion stage. Poll survey, this one over here, with something like chats. Then click on install. We're installing now the plugin. Install a plugin. Installing this one over here. Pure poll survey. You can create polls. You can create surveys. Quiz maker. You can also create quiz using this. Then click on activate. Once it's done installing, click on activate. Yes, it's activated. So you can choose, you have to create a new account or login. So for this I will just go, yeah, it's pretty much simple to create an account guys. I don't have to go through those steps. It's like, yes, here's it. Then once you're done looking, it will show you that you need to create or let's go over. Let's go back. Let me show you through a new account. Let's click on create account. Just create account. You can see, let me disconnect this one because it's already in. Let me click on create account, create a new account. But it's pretty much simple guys. It's pretty much simple. It's pretty much simple. Okay, but it's fine guys. The poll you're going to create, so once you're done to create account, then you confirm your email, just go over to create a poll. So yeah, even when you create a new account, it will take you to this page. You'll create using from scratch or you'll create using a template. Let's go with from scratch, or let's start with the template first. We'll come back. Then here are the templates, how they look. There's a template, you just click on it, then use this template. You can customize. When you click on use this template, yes, so now you can edit, you can change what they want to vote for. Okay, these are the voting that maybe you're voting for loans instead of mortgage, or you're voting for wedding instead of a rent. So yes, so let's create a new, again from scratch, not using template. They are pretty much simple. Yes, this is from scratch. Maybe let's say we're creating a best artist of the year, best artist. Yes, best artist. Then click here to drop your image, how they want to be visible. Maybe you'll drop your banner or something that related to your, or maybe it's an award based on artist. When you put your BET awards, something there outside to make much prettier. But for this I just want to choose any picture. Then I go on, then here's a picture, then crop. Yes, it will look like this, but my picture is so small. The reason why, then you add what they're voting for. Maybe it's Lil Wayne there, it's Lil Wayne, it's Lil, and there is Drake. You must force between those two guys, who's the best artist here. Let's go with this image layout so that we can add a Lil Wayne's image. Just wanna add any image because I don't think I had a Lil Wayne's image here. Just wanna add this guy, then crop, then add the Drake's image. Here's Drake. Yeah, just wanna add those guys. Yes. Oop. So now it's fine. So let's customize it on setting to match. Allow more than one answer. Do you want them to vote more than one? Yes, I want no limits. They can vote many times as they want. Display message after voting. Yes, maybe I can say thanks for voting. Thanks. After they finish voting, this message must pop up with thanks for voting. Thanks for voting. And yes, they must come and vote after 1 hour again. Allow viewers to view their results that they can see. Oh, Drake is winning over Lil Wayne. Okay, so yes, so once it's like this, then you add your summer award or your beauty award, then click on create over here on top. Creating this. Okay, your poll has been created successfully. Okay, it's been created successfully. Okay, let's go over to post. Maybe you want to edit on post. Let's go to post now. Go back to dashboard and go to post. Then you add a new post. It should be add the new post, add the new post, add a new post. Add a new post, add a new post. It's loading. Yeah. Let's say it's beauty awards, beauty awards. Yeah, it looks legit. Then click on this little plus icon, add block. Then you can search, type here poll, because we want to add the poll. Type here poll. Then poll opinion stage poll. Then here's it. Add this. Then select a poll. Just wanna select the poll. Is it the best artist? Insert. Yeah, now as it's inserted, there's a banner that will be visible. Then click on publish. Once you're done, publish. Yeah, now it's published. Let's view a post. Click on view. It's loading. You click on view. Yes, here's it. So let me vote and see. I click clean way, then vote is there. Vote for Lil Wayne. For Lil 100%. We already have one vote over here. Then there's a message that tells you thanks for voting. Okay, guys, that's it. It's pretty much simple. It's totally simple, guys, as it is. Just install the plugin poll, then you customize or you create your own. Then yeah, these are voting. Then after 1 hour, I will be able to come again to vote, or if I see that I can change a vote anytime. So yeah, it's like that, guys, using poll plugin. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, you subscribe. Please subscribe and comment down below. Yes, thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay blessed. Then you share this link. You share this link to your people